top 5 gaming cryptocurrencies to buy this bull run. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a look at 5 gaming cryptocurrencies you need to buy with crazy upside potential. All right, before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button down below if you want to reach your crypto goals this bull run. Let's take a look at this top 5 list. Gaming tokens have been taking the crypto world by storm as the popularity of gaming cryptos and play to earn have been just taken over the market. The total game market has approximately $33 billion worth of market cap, which is insane, and trading volume of up to $2.5 billion in the past 24 hours, which is on a red day for both numbers. Let's go ahead and jump into the top 5 gaming coin list. The first one being Gala. Now, this one reached a lot of popularity last bull run and genuinely took the whole crypto market by storm. And as you can see the charts, guys, look at this crazy, beautiful pump. This one was at one point peaking around 75 cents and now is currently sitting at 6 cents. Now, again, unlike a meme coin, there's a ton of utility, gaming, and potential behind this project, and the price today is not reflecting its previous all-time highs. Even look at the market cap, guys. We can see market cap is rising in support even though the price hasn't been rising just yet, which goes to show that the market cap is there and the price is getting ready to push. If we see the market cap hit previous all-time highs, re-enter the $5 billion range, we can really see this price skyrocket, maybe even hitting previous all-time highs, which could be great. But what is Gala? Gala is in games, music, and film. We can see they have a collab with NBA Youngboy, a very popular rapper. If you're into rap music, they got a Gala hackathon. I guess this is one of their games that's live, music for artists. Again, they're in the gaming, music, and film industry, so just adding even more utility than last bull run, because if I'm not mistaken, last bull run they're primarily focused on gaming, which they got free to play and then play to earn type games as well. So they're really making a change in the space. You definitely want to add this to your watch list. If not, grab a bag. On to the next coin on the list. Now, the next coin on the list is Floki Inu. Yes, Floki Inu is a gaming coin now. I know a lot of people look and see Floki Inu as a meme coin that it once was. But here's the thing, we can't hate on these meme coins because these meme coins have crazy upside potential. But Floki Inu has now entered the play to earn realm. Or not now entered, but they've kind of been in there for a while now. Their Valhalla app, which went absolutely crazy on the internet, is now about to have a mobile release this year. Floki is actually very aggressive with marketing campaigns as well, making this a top project to add to your watch list. Now, as guys, you can see with the price, it's coming very close to all-time highs of last bull run, which is insane to see, where most cryptocurrencies are 50 to 75% of its previous all-time highs. We can see Floki is catching up to its previous all-time highs, which is insane. Are we going to see, just like Bitcoin, are we going to see a 2 to 3x from its previous all-time highs? That's what we saw with Bitcoin in 2018 bull run versus last bull run, and we could quite see this with Floki Inu as well. In terms of market cap, guys, we can see the market cap is just absolutely grown insane versus last bull run. People are genuinely loving and following behind this project. Again, the utility is insane, their games are insane, the people's cryptocurrency. We can see the Valhalla, where you can play to earn NFT in the metaverse, is their flagship game, guys, and this is now coming to mobile as well. So you gotta imagine, they had so much popularity on their desktop game that they're bringing it to mobile, meaning they already have a demand of players going to enter. Now, what's going to happen is when it's all mobile, it'll be more accessible, easier for people to play without having to have a crazy gaming computer setup, which is then going to therefore have way more users and more opportunity to earn and create in the space, which is going to cause Floki Inu to pump. Talking about Floki Inu and dog related meme coins, let's talk about Doge20 for a second, guys. A coin we've covered on this channel, which is days away from its launch on Doge Day. 19 days away, guys. This is your last chance to get at pre-sale prices. Guys, we were looking at this one, really and truly enter at their lowest pre-sale prices, guys. This one is Dogecoin, but better, with no more inflation, with a convenient wallet and good boy staking utilizing the Ethereum network. Doge20 is more than a meme coin. It brings passive earning potential to the community. So if you're big into play to earn, I'm sure you're into passive income and you might want to grab a bag of Doge20. Doge20 really taking the internet by storm. Already 11,000 followers for a brand new coin that hasn't even launched yet. This is your final chance to grab Doge20 at these low pre-sale prices, guys. And these meme coins and pre-sale coins tend to go absolutely realistic. I'm gonna link Dogecoin down below, but let's go back to our list. Let's take a look at the Sandbox. Now the Sandbox was interesting because not only did they crush in the bull run, but they also were crushing during the NFT phase of things as well, because they had a ton of Sandbox NFTs that were just going absolutely crazy. And we're looking at the price, guys. Same thing with a lot of these projects, not counting Floki. Current prices are nowhere near its last all-time highs. And we can see with the technical analysis over here, bullish momentum alert for Sand. Here's the thing, guys. Right now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and kind of altcoins are getting most of the shine, all right? Meme coins are also getting crazy amount of shine. However, these secondary altcoins like gaming, like AI, these other altcoins have not got their shine just yet. And we anticipate after the halvening event, the altcoins are going to get their shine as well. Once we have money entering altcoins, this is going to cause all these prices to pump. That makes us mega early to buy in these flagship projects, these top projects, guys. Because when you look, most of the projects I covered are almost on the top 10 list when looking at the top gaming tokens for market capitalization. So they're really high in market cap and still have a lot more potential to pump. Sand is as a $1.4 billion market cap, still making this a top 100 coin on coin market cap. So the Sandbox, play together, create anything, and own virtual land. Let's build a whole new world together. And you can see it's very like AI friendly. They're trying to make it a very clean, approachable, almost kind of like what we saw, kind of like a Minecraft almost, right? We saw celebrities were getting super involved with this again during the NFT bull run, last bull run. So again, I'm very pumped for Sand, and I see crazy potential because once NFTs become relevant again, which they will, I know people are really saying it's never going to come back. Trust me, they will. Sandbox is going to see a crazy jump in price, and I wouldn't be surprised if it reaches previous all-time highs, if not below and past them. There's an easy 10x to be made on Sandbox. Now let's go on to the next one on this list. The next gaming coin on the list is Axie Infinity. Again, another extremely popular one last bull run. There's a pattern here, guys. History tends to repeat itself, and that's why I wanted to comprise this list of top winners last bull run that have basically weathered the storm all winter in the bear market, and now this bull run they're basically getting ready to go all full steam ahead. And Axie Infinity is one of those play to earn games. It's, in my opinion, one of the most popular play to earn games, right? In terms of that's the style of games people want to play. It's very easy. They have free to play, and you also have options of earning to play, and you can buy, trade, and all of that. So free Axie, start your adventure with a free starter Axie, each with unique abilities and play styles. And guys, I remember with Axie Infinity, a bunch of my friends were actually super into it, playing it for hours and hours and making a decent chunk of chain, trading NFTs and whatnot. So again, there's some massive potential to money to be made in just playing. I guess you could earn these or find these characters and sell them on the marketplace, obviously for real money, but also the side we can make money on is just investing in the coin. Because you can see, guys, previous all-time highs, Axie Infinity sitting in the $150 range. In terms of market cap, this is sitting at a $9 billion market cap at the time. Current market cap is sitting at $1.4 billion. Can we see a simple 10x with Axie Infinity? I think we could easily see a 20x for Axie Infinity, as again, once we re-enter the phase of play to earn games being the hype, once summer comes around and a lot of these kids are out of school and they're going to be want to get involved in crypto and get involved in play to earn, all these coins we covered so far, but Axie Infinity especially is going to get a ton of shine. And then that last one on the list, guys, is Decentraland. Again, Mana, ticker symbol Mana, again, extremely popular during the NFT wave of the last bull run. And we can see in terms of price, guys, we're so far away. Today's price versus previous all-time highs, there is a bag to be made here as well. As the trend goes for every coin we covered in this list, you're gonna want to add some of these coins to your watch list, if not buy some, and really understand what I mean. Make new friends, explore diverse events, and spark your creativity in a virtual world built and owned by its community. Again, another play to earn, but this one more looking like on a social side of things. Almost, if I don't know if you guys play VR at all, but kind of like that VR chat vibe, that rec room vibe, which is pretty dope to see. So they obviously have the gaming side, and then obviously the investing side, and again, the money could be made here. This one only at $1.2 billion. Its previous all-time highs in terms of market cap was at $8.6 billion. we are going to see this puppy ride to the moon as well. Now guys, that was my top 5 gaming token list. I want to know what you guys think about this list in the comment section below. Are you bullish for some of these coins? Are you bullish for all these coins? Did I miss a coin that should have been on this list? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't miss out on your final chance to grab a bag of Doge20, also linked down in the description below. That wraps up the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Like always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps up the video. Until next time, peace.